Good morning. So here is Zania. Say good morning. Oh, you're taking a bath? Okay. And then here is Miss Sydney. Hi. So it is 8:30 and I am doing a what I eat in a day video. And as you can see, this is kind of a vlog style video. And my other two what I eat in a video are more kind of edited, and I did voiceovers and stuff. So I'm just trying something new. And also this is kind of a weird eating day for me because I have a cross country meet and they're usually in the morning, but this one is in the evening, so I have to leave my house around 4 o'clock. Yeah, breakfast will be normal and my lunch will be normal, but my dinner, I'll probably have to eat a little bit before I leave, and then I'll probably eat a little bit at the meet, so it's just kind of a weird eating day. But I just wanted to show you what I eat in a day as a vegan on a cross-country meet. Hello, Bailey. Hello, Bailey. Good morning, honey. What do you eat in a day, Want to show them? Yeah? Hello. Say hi to the camera. Yeah. So, usually, right when I get up, I try to drink a whole glass of water. Alright, so I am in the kitchen and I got done drinking my glass of water. So now it's time to make breakfast. And I'm making an oatmeal bowl, but it's not going to be cooked, so kind of just like an oat bowl, I guess. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start with putting some oats in my bowl. Probably guess how much. I might add more in here, but so now I'm gonna add some ground up flax seeds, and I get the ground up type because if you get the whole type, your body can't really get all the nutrients that are in flax seeds. So you should get the ground up type, so it's easier for your body to digest all those nutrients. Alright, now I'm adding just a little bit of chia, my hemp seeds. I know I'm kind of going crazy with my different types of seeds, but this is the last type of seed I am putting in there. All these are great sources of omega-3 ALA and also protein. So, yeah. So now I am just putting some almonds in there. And they're already sliced almonds, so that's good. I'm gonna stir it. So now I'm just cutting up a banana. Bananas fill me up a lot. And they are really, really good. And I'm just so obsessed with them right now. Here is my banana all chopped up. And I'm just gonna put it in here now. So this is 4 strawberries all chopped up. And then I have some frozen blueberries in my bowl. Okay, so I moved this to a different bowl. It's just slightly bigger. But the biggest problem was just stirring it around because it would spill out when I was stirring it. It's not that it wouldn't be able to fit in that bowl, but It's just the stirring part. So this bowl is just a little bit bigger, but I just have to add one more thing and then I will be good. So I'm going to add some almond milk. Now it is 9:45 and I am about to eat. And I definitely won't be able to eat all of this. But it will definitely save for at least tomorrow, so I'll finish eating it tomorrow. And then I'm also drinking some more water. So I am making lunch right now. So right now I'm just making some quinoa, just following the directions on the back, and then bring it to a boil. Oh my gosh, this is actually red, but on camera it shows it's purple. That is so cool. Wow. Okay, I don't know why, but that's really weird. Okay. So I'm just gonna wait until that boils, and then I'll show you what else I'm eating. So I have the juicer all set up right here. And now I'm going to get the ingredients. So I think I'm gonna put some kale in, some ginger, an apple, and some lemon. I know probably a fresh lemon is better, but this is all I had. Okay, so I forgot to put some seasoning in the quinoa. So before it is done, and there's like 3 more minutes on the timer. So before it's all done, I'm just gonna really quickly put some salt in, and then some spike. If you don't know what that is, it's really good. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's a really good seasoning. So I am done with the green juice, and I will show you that in a minute. But I am coming back to what I was doing with my quinoa, and now I am heating up some brown rice I made a couple days ago. I'm going to put my quinoa with the brown rice. And with the brown rice and quinoa, I'm having some edamame. I'm just gonna heat up in this bowl. And that is my lunch. And then here's the green drink. So it's only 3:20, but I have to leave soon, so I'm eating something before I leave. Obviously it's not dinner time, but this is kind of part of my dinner. I'll probably eat more after I run, but right now I'm having a rice cake with peanut butter on it, and then some carrots. And then I'm packing a Larabar in my bag. I love Larabars so much. I haven't had the cinnamon roll flavor ever, but every flavor I have tried, I like. So, and I really like it because they just sweeten it with dates. The ingredients are just 1 second. Dates, walnuts, almonds, raisins, cinnamon, and sea salt. So that is literally all the ingredients. And as you can see right here, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, and soy-free. And I just love Larabars so much, so I'm packing this, and yeah. Hey guys, so it is the next morning. I got home like around 11:30, so it was pretty late for me at least. So I was really tired, and I didn't really remember to say bye. So this is the end of what I eat in a day, and So at the meet, I just ended up eating my Lara bar, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and some grapes, and a couple other things. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye!